Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact the Lyft customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so at the time of this recording, it is currently pretty difficult to find any contact us or phone numbers, emails from Lyft directly. So if I head on over to a web browser, I'm at Lyft here. So generally, if we go to the bottom of the page, they'll have a contact us part on the footer, which they don't have. If we scroll up, there's no contact us or customer service. And now if we click on the three horizontal bars, again, they've got no contact us, or they've got help here. So if we go ahead and click on help, which isn't helpful at all, because as you can see, I'm clicking help, this pop-up will appear. So I'm just going to click out of that. So they've got all help stuff here, but they've got no how to contact a live customer agent or even a chatbot. So what we can do, I found a workaround. I'm going to head back to my web browser. Now I'm going to go back to Google here. I've typed in Lyft customer service. There's a website called, where is it? Pissed Consumer. So if we go ahead and click on Pissed Consumer, it's lyft.pissconsumer.com. And now what they've done, they've gone ahead and got their phone number so that you can give them a call, which is toll free. You can also send them a message as well. So this is the only way you can contact Lyft customer service at this point of time.